This clip will introduce the BHA sensitivity analysis within Innova Engineering. First of all, I'm going to get an engineering file with a BHA in place. So I'm going to go for the SAG example project, which comes with the install. So the BHA sensitivity analysis is very similar to the BHA analysis that we run in calculate BHA analysis and SAG correction. This is the BHA sensitivity analysis, which is a separate analysis. The main difference is that it can run a sensitivity analysis on particular parameters. Second difference is that it still requires a drill string input, but it doesn't require information input in the surveys and engineering parameters tab, unlike the BHA analysis. So things to be input on the drill string tab are the BHA itself with OD's IDs for calculating stiffness and the lengths. Within the bit, we require bit formation index, and within the stabilizers, we require the stabilizer OD, blade length, and distance from bottom, as well as a well bore geometry and a mud weight. Once we have those input, we can go calculate BHA sensitivity analysis. This opens the BHA sensitivity analysis dialog. In here, there are two sub-compartments: select parameters and results. Select parameters is obviously where we select the parameter that we want to run a sensitivity analysis for. So in this case, I'll run weight on bit for the first one, a 10k weight on bit to a 50k weight on bit, step interval of 1, full face of 0, vertical hole, no dog leg, 0 motor bend because it's a rotary assembly, 12¼ inch hole, and top stabilizer is 12¼ inches as well. I'm now going to hit calculate. What this will do is run the sensitivity analysis at step interval of 1 for weight on bits between 10 and 50,000 pounds. And as we can see, weight on bit in this vertical well bore with no dogleg severity and these other parameters taken into account, there is virtually zero build rate and walk rate tendency. Next, I'm going to run an inclination analysis. So from 0 to 90 degrees, how will this BHA fare? So dogleg severity 3, motor bend 0, weight on bit 35. Okay, so if I run this analysis now, what it will do is it will calculate both lines of our selected parameters. So it will run the weight on bit calculation and the inclination sensitivity analysis at the same time. And so you can have a large number of different components or parameters run all at the same time. And how we view those results is by toggling through the results row. So results row 2 is for inclination, and we can see here that as we increase in inclination, this BHA's tendency is modeled to have an increased build rate and walk rate. The results from these can be exported to either Excel or text file. If you click export all lines, it will export all of the tables, so results 1 and results row 2 and any other results rows that you have in place as well. That's a very quick introduction to BHA sensitivity analysis within Innova Engineering.